Do you need to replace the UV lamp in your AGFA Anapurna M-Series printer? Here's a quick step-by-step guide to do it safely and correctly. First, turn off the printer completely, including all power switches. Then wait at least 30 minutes for your power supply to discharge and the lamps to cool down. This is essential for your safety. Once the waiting period is over, locate and disconnect the lamp power connector. Next, use an Allen wrench to remove the 2 screws holding the lamp casing in place. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the casing to access the UV bulb. Now you're ready to replace the lamp. Be sure to wear cotton gloves. Any grease or fingerprints can shorten the lifespan of the lamp. With the new UV lamp installed, simply reverse the steps to reassemble your printer and power it back on. Looking for more expert tutorials? Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss an update.